Singh, born on 28 September 1907, was a prominent freedom fighter and revolutionary. Witnessing British atrocities from a young age, he developed a strong desire to liberate India. In 1928, during protest against the Simon Commission, Lala Lajpat Rai died from a police lathi charge led by SP James A. Scott. Bhagat Singh, seeking revenge, mistakenly killed John P. Saunders instead of Scott. Later, in 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a non-lethal bomb in the Central Assembly to signal India's defiance. After 2 years in jail, Bhagat Singh, along with Sukhdev and Rajguru, was hanged on 23 March 1931, now observed as Martyrs' Day. On the night of 28 September 2016, the Indian Army conducted a surgical strike on terrorist hideouts in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir in response to the 18th September 2016 terrorist attack on an Indian Army base in Uri, which killed 17 soldiers. The strike carried out by Special Forces targeted terrorist launch pads across the line of control, destroying several hideouts 2 to 3 kilometers into enemy territory. This operation sent a clear message that India would not remain passive against terrorism and could retaliate decisively. The 2019 film Uri, The Surgical Strike depicted the event, further igniting patriotic sentiments across the country. On September 28, 2018, the Supreme Court delivered a landmark ruling allowing women of all ages to enter the Sabarimala temple, declaring the age-based restriction unconstitutional. The temple, dedicated to Lord Ayyappa and located in Kerala's Periyar Tiger Reserve, and traditionally prohibited women aged 10 to 50 from entering based on religious practices. A 5-member constitution bench ruled that such traditions should not violate fundamental rights like equality and personal liberty. The court deemed the ban on women as unconstitutional and an instance of gender discrimination. The decision sparked protest from some religious groups, while women's rights advocates hailed it as a historic victory for equality. Lata Mangeshkar, born on 28 September 1929 in Indore, was a legendary Indian singer fondly known as Sir Kokila and Queen of Singing. She began her career at a young age, debuting in the film Kirti Hasal. Although her initial songs didn't gain much attention, her melodious voice soon earned her a prominent place in Indian cinema. Lata Mangeshkar sang over 30,000 songs in more than 20 languages, including Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, and Punjabi. She received multiple Filmfare Awards and was honored with the Bharat Ratna in 2001. She passed away on 6th February in 2022. Sheikh Hasina, born on 28 September 1947 in Tungipara, Bangladesh, is a prominent politician who served as Prime Minister of Bangladesh from June 1996 to July 2001, and again from January 2009 to August 2024. She is the daughter of Bangladesh founding leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the country's first president. With over 20 years in office, she became Bangladesh's longest-serving Prime Minister and the world's longest-serving female head of government. Her term ended in 2024 after a military coup following violent protest, and she sought refuge in India. Under her leadership, Bangladesh experienced significant economic growth, poverty reduction, and improvements in women's empowerment, education, and healthcare. India-Bangladesh relations are also strengthened during her tenure. On September 28, 1928, Scottish scientist Sir Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the world's first antibiotic, revolutionizing medicine and enabling the treatment of many deadly diseases. While working at St. Mary's Hospital in London, Fleming accidentally left a dish containing Staphylococcus bacteria open. Upon returning, he noticed that mold had grown and the surrounding bacteria had been destroyed. The mold was identified as Penicillium notatum, leading Fleming to realize it produced a substance capable of killing bacteria. Later, scientists Howard Florey and Ernst Boris Chain developed methods for mass production, making penicillin widely available. Fleming, Florey, and Chain were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1945 for this groundbreaking discovery. On September 28, 2008, SpaceX Falcon 1, a private rocket developed by Elon Musk company, made history as the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach Earth's orbit. Designed to launch small satellites at a low cost, Falcon 1 was a two-stage rocket with the first stage powered by a Merlin engine and the second one by a Cetrel engine. After 3 unsuccessful launch attempts, Falcon 1 successfully entered orbit on its 4th try in 2008, carrying a mass simulator. Its second successful flight occurred on July 14, 2009. On September 28, 1994, the Estonia ship sank in one of the worst maritime disasters of the 20th century, claiming 852 lives. The German-built ship was en route to Stockholm, Sweden, but sank off the coast of Finland amid stormy weather with waves reaching 15 to 20 feet. Of the roughly 1,000 people on board, only 137 were rescued. This tragedy is considered the second deadliest European shipwreck after the Titanic and the largest peacetime maritime disaster in Europe.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe. From the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts, find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.